Welcome back. Today we will be teaching you about how to write reference in citation, Harvard style. Let me first tell you the overview of today's discussion. Now let's get started. First, you should know what basic structure every type will have. In citation, for single author is last name and year. And for reference is author's last name, first initials, year, title of the book, publisher. Here you can see the basic example for both citation and reference. Now, for two author citations, state the author's surname in the order they appear on the source, year of publication, and if quoting, include the page number or timestamp. The word "and" is used when the surnames are a part of a sentence, but the symbol "and" is used when the names are in parentheses. In reference, for two or three author, you have to use author one's last name and author two's last name, year. See the example, they follow the same structure for both. Now let me tell you about when there are more than three author. Here, use only the surname of the first listed author, followed by the expression et al., meaning and others, when citing in text. Include the year of publication. And for reference, you have to list all authors' last names, first initials, year, title of the book, and publisher. By seeing the example, you can have a clear understanding on how to write both. You can also take reference from organization or government. When you write a citation from any of these two, you only have to mention like organization abbreviation or name, year. And for reference, organization name abbreviation or full name, year, title of the book, publisher. With the example, you can get clear understanding of everything. There are some cases when you find no author. Where there is no author, use the title of the source in italics in place of the author. Include the year of publication. For reference, the basic structure is title of the book, year, publisher. Let's see the example for better understanding. There are also cases where no publication year is mentioned. In that case, for citation, you have to write author's last name, N.D. And for reference, use author's last name, first initials, N.D., title of the book, publisher. Example can help you in better understanding. For chapters from a compiled book, citation and reference, the basic structure are citation, chapter author's last name, year. Reference, chapter author's last name, first initials, year, chapter title, and editor, S last name, first initials, ed. Title of the book, publisher, page range. For better understanding this, let's see the examples. Citing multiple sources with the same author and / or date. Distinguish them by appending lowercase letters after the publication year. For this, directly see the example, it's simple to understanding. Lastly, you have citing multiple sources at the same point. List them alphabetically by the first author's last name with year, separated by semicolons. See the example. With this, you can understand how to do referencing and citation for any type of book. Always remember to save your Word document when you're done with changes. Also, sure to subscribe the channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our insightful discussions and practical tips. And if you have any recommendations for future videos, please do tell that in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck!